Hello students, today we are going to study class 5 science and please turn to page number 27 of your textbook and we are dealing with chapter number 3, that is food and health. Till now we have studied what kind of food we should take. It should be a balanced diet. It should have a combination of fruit, vegetables, milk, butter, cheese, egg, meat, fish in a proper amount to maintain the proper health. Okay. Now, just starting from the heading health. We need to have a strong disease-free body and an alert mind to be healthy. Health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. So, what do you mean by good health? So, good health means that you should be strong. You should not suffer from any kind of diseases and your mind should be alert. Okay, whatever is going on around yourself, okay, you should be conscious about that very things. Okay, for example, when you are in a class, your mind should be able to concentrate in your class. Okay, when you are in a playground, your mind should be able to concentrate on the games. Okay, so that is the condition when we can say that you are healthy. To stay healthy, we should have a proper balanced diet. I told you balanced diet means it should have a proper combination of fruit, vegetables, non-veg items, that is chicken, fish, egg, okay, butter, cheese, ghee, milk, and then cereals, okay, rice, dal, rajma, chana, bread, sweet. All these should be the part of your balanced diet, and the proportion in which they should be taken should be also proper in a way to remain healthy, fit and fine. Now number 2 is exercise. So exercise regularly to stay fit and healthy. What you should do, you should exercise in a proper way. You should regularly do exercises. Okay, whether students right now you are staying back at your home, okay, you are not coming to school, and this time it's very very necessary that you should remain fit and fine. For that very thing, to attain that very thing, you need to do a proper exercises. Just play outdoor games or any indoor games related with the physical activities. Okay, mental exercise things also should be the part of it. Okay, try to do yoga or different exercises, whatever you feel. Try to do jogging at your position. Try to do that hula hoop at your homes. Okay, it's very easy to perform any kind of exercises. Okay, but you should have the thing that I have to do it. Okay, then you will be able to remain fit and fine. It's not required that you should have certain advanced exercise doing implements at your house, then only you are going to perform the exercises. Okay, it should not be like that. Okay, you can perform it in a way whatever you are having with it. Okay, you can simply perform your PT, that is also exercise. You can perform jogging, you can do the fast walking, slow walking. All these are the kind of a exercise. Exercise improves our blood circulation, digestion and tones up our muscles. So what is going to happen with exercises? When you do exercises, the circulation of blood to different parts of the body, it's gain the speed. Okay, your food will be digested properly. You don't feel like indigestion. Okay, your muscles will be toned up. Okay, your muscles will be able to perform in a better way. Okay, toned up. Okay, that will shine will also come to your face. Okay, if you want to look smarter, you should also perform the exercises. Okay, when we exercise, more oxygen is supplied to the different parts of our body. Why it's happening? Because when we exercise, the amount of oxygen, when you exercise, you must have noticed that your breathing rate increases. Why? Because your body requires no more oxygen, and in order to provide more oxygen, your breathing rate get fasten up. So in this way you can perform the exercise. It strengthens the nervous system by supplying more blood to the brain. Your brain will be able to work in a proper way because the oxygen supply has increased. Okay, the blood supply to the brain has increased. It helps to use the fat stored. Okay, it's the best way to lose the weights. Those people who are thinking that I'm gaining weight, I'm putting on weight, then you should perform the exercises. What kind of exercises you should do? Yoga, swimming, cycling, walking, outdoor games. Okay. Now point number 3, you can see in the pictures now, these smarter kids, they're performing different kind of physical activity. In the same way, you are also supposed to do these very things. Okay. Rest. Take adequate rest and sleep. Proper rest relaxes our muscles and helps the body to grow. It gives the body chance to repair its damaged parts. We feel refreshed, energetic after sleep. An adult needs 6 to 8 hours of sleep in a day. So proper rest is also a very important part to maintain the good health. You should take a proper sleep, okay, in a day. An adult, that means a grown up person, needs 6 to 8 hours of sleep, and the younger one they need more. Okay, they can have a nap of 8 or 9 hours, okay, something like that. So if you want your body to grow in a proper way, if you want that your development should be a sound one, you should do proper exercise and proper resting, proper food you should take. Okay. Now please turn the page of your textbook. Now please come to page number 28. Okay. Now the next point we are going to deal with is maintain hygiene. Hygiene may be defined as good habits that ensure cleanliness and good health. Proper hygiene helps us in preventing diseases. Brushing teeth twice a day, washing hands before and after meals, cutting nails regularly, bathing, etc. are some of the good habits to maintain proper hygiene. Hygiene means you should be clean, okay, and you should try that the things around you are also clean. Okay, your house should be clean, your bed should be clean. You are staying back at the home, children, you should try to help out your mothers to maintain the cleanliness in the house. Okay, you can try to keep your room clean, your bookshelves clean. Okay, and first and foremost that is required, you should try to keep yourself clean. Okay, if you want to fight against corona, you should try to keep yourself clean. You should wash your hands regularly. You should wash your hands for 20 seconds. Okay, at regular interval of time you need to sanitize yourself. Okay, and whatever your edible items, try to just wash it properly, then you should eat. If you're bringing something from the market, leave it for 24 hours, then you should brought the things into use. Okay, so try to maintain the proper hygiene. Okay, try to brush your teeth twice a day, cut your nail, bath regularly. Before taking food you should wash your hands, and after taking food also you should wash your hands. In this way you can maintain the hygiene. Now point number 5, that is posture. Posture is a position in which we hold our body when we sit, stand. We must keep our back straight while standing and sitting. Incorrect postures over a period of time can lead to pain in our joints and muscles. So what you are supposed to do? You should, when you are sitting, you should keep your back straight. When you are standing, you should keep your shoulders back straight. This is the correct position to sit and stand. And you can see the different figures now. You are not supposed to sit like this. Okay, correct postures, it should be straight. You should try to maintain your backbone straight. Okay, and rest all what you're supposed to do. If you're just sitting leaning towards the wall, that is the incorrect way. Whenever you are sitting, your backbone should be straight. If you're sitting in a proper way, standing in a proper way, then you won't be suffering from any kind of pain. Okay, because of incorrect way of sitting and standing, we might suffer from certain kinds of pain. So you should keep in mind that while you're sitting or standing, you should be doing that very thing in a proper way. So students, today's homework is to learn the portion that I have taught you. You have to learn the 5 means to maintain good health. Okay, this is your homework. You have to learn all the 5 points. Okay, with a little with a description of 2 lines. Okay, hopefully you might have understood the chapter. Okay, if you're having any problem, you can just put your queries in the query section. Okay, thank you.